Let's draw together. You'll need some paper, a pencil, and an eraser. Touch the blinking arrow to get started. Are you ready? To draw a car, start by drawing a circle. Now make a horizontal line through the circle. Let's make the front of the car. Start by drawing a vertical line and then finish it up with a curve to the left. Super cool! Where do we put the tires? Make 2 little circles on the horizontal line and voila! What about the lights? Draw 2 little circles like this. Now it's time for the windows. Okay, now let's put in the rear window. Pretty cool! Alright, now we'll erase all the extra stuff. Now, to finish it up, let's draw 1 more tire. And vroom! Ready to go!